Hello and welcome to another tutorial from GNR Academy. In this video, we will learn how and when to use the Sumif and Sumifs functions in Excel. Here we have an example database of some company which operates in two locations, Town A and Town B, and it has only two products, Product A and Product B. The data given is the quarterly sales for the two products in both locations. Now in the real world, I would like to calculate the sales based on some criteria. The criteria could be single or multiple. Let's see how we can calculate the sum based on criteria in Excel. We can make use of the SUMIF function if we have a single criterion. Here, we want to sum the sales only for quarter 3. So we will use the SUMIF function as SUMIF. The first argument is the criteria range, that is, where the function will look for the criteria. In our case, it is the quarter column. The second argument is the criteria, which is Q3 or cell F8. And the sum range will be the sales column. We can check our answer by adding the Q3 sales, which are cell D12 and D13, D20 and D21. So our answer matches and our formula is working correctly. Another way of using SUMIF is that if we want to sum the sales which are less than $10,000, we can use the SUMIF function as SUMIF. The criteria range will be the sales column because it contains our criteria. For the criteria, I can refer to the cell F8, or I can simply write less than 10,000 in double quotes. Both ways are okay. Note that we do not need to provide the sum range if the criteria range is the sum range, so we close bracket here. We can check the answer by adding the sales which are less than 10,000, which in our case are the last 6 rows, and see that the formula is correct. If you want to sum the sales based on multiple criteria, we can't use SUMIF as it can only take one criterion. We can use Excel's SUMIF function for that. Here, we want to sum the sales for location Town A in quarter 1. We will use the SUMIF function as SUMIFs. The first argument is the sum range. Note the difference in SUMIF and SUMIFs formula. In SUMIF, the last argument was the sum range, but in SUMIFs, it is the first argument. So we will select the sales column. The second argument is the first criteria range, which is the store location, and the criteria will be Town A. The second criteria range is the quarter column, and the criteria is Q1, close bracket and enter. We can check the formula by adding the Q1 sales for the Town A, which is $30,000 and is correct. We can also add another criteria here. Suppose we want to sum the sales for quarter 1 and for product A. In the formula, in the third criteria range, we can add the product column and the criteria will be product A. We can check the answer and see that for Town A, in quarter 1, the product A sales was $15,000 and we are getting the right answer. In real world, you will find that these formulas are used quite commonly and you can save yourself much time by mastering them. I personally use SUMIFs even for single criterion as it makes things easier to use only one formula. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Use the comment section below for any questions or feedbacks.